make sure you have it, because the contract governs your relationship and says, just like your governing documents say everything about the internal process of your business, the contract says your external process of how you interact with others, who does what, who pays what happens when there's a problem, how that problem is resolved, and things of that nature. So you always want to make sure that you have a written contract. And then the other thing with business is that it's ongoing and changing. So make sure that you always continuously stay in touch with your professionals to update your business, make sure you're updated on the law, make sure you're updated on taxes, make sure you're updated on banking issues, make sure that your business plan always evolves over time and changes when you do. Anytime there's a major change, update your business plan. Anytime that there's an addition, a subtraction, whatever, update your business plan. The same thing with your governing documents. Make sure you always update them when there's a major or even significant event in your business. If you add someone, if you subtract someone, if you change locations, if you sell off, if you buy things, make sure you update everything. And then make sure that you're always in communication with your professionals regarding any major questions, challenges, issues, or whatever. Make sure you're in touch with them. They're there to help you. Be as proactive as possible. Be as preventive as possible. Have regular meetings with them. Meet with them monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, annually, but just meet with them and make sure they're always updated on what's going on with your business, so that in turn they can update all of your documents to make sure that they're in place and they're correct. So last issue we'll address is, how do you find a professional? Well, if you already have a professional, great. Have them recommend, if you have an accountant, have them recommend a business law attorney, or have them recommend a commercial banker, or have them recommend, if you're into the internet or whatever, have them recommend, people who focus on that. If you don't have a professional or a group of professionals in place, ask another business owner who you know or trust about who they use as a business law attorney, or who they use as an accountant, or who they use for social media, or who they use as a banker. Because businesses will be the ultimate authority or source, particularly in your locality where you're located, of who the best professionals are. So they will gladly help you. Most entrepreneurs and most businesses want to help each other. You're not in it alone. They'll gladly help you, just like the professionals will. Even people in your own business or your own space, they don't really want to see you fail. They want to see you succeed.